Welcome to the season finale of VPage Setup, Audio Configuration. Once we configure the audio flows, your VPage system will be up and running. In summary, so far we've installed our stations, configured their priorities, linked them, and configured the audio zone logic. The final step is to route the audio. We're setting up our system with AES67, so we'll begin by walking through that process. At the end, we'll go over what you do if you're only using Dante. To start, we have to enable AES67 on the VPage stations in Dante controller. Select the VPage station, go to the AES67 config tab, enable AES67. It will ask you if you want to enable AES67 mode. Select yes. Then you must go reboot the audio chip. Select yes again to confirm. It will take a few moments for the audio chip to reboot. Now that we've enabled AES67, we must create an AES67 multicast flow. Click the little flow icon to open the multicast flow dialog box. Select AES67, check the transmit box, then click Create. The next step is to go back into QSys Designer. We must now let the core know to watch for these AES67 flows we just set up. We have to hop out of the core's live mode, so disconnect from the core. Now we can add a few more modules to our design. On the left in Inventory, click the plus icon. We will be adding 3 AES67 routers. We'll need one for each VPage station. Once they are added to the design, we can drag and drop them into place. These will be connecting to the PA router, so I usually put them to the left of that module to keep my design clean. Edit them by changing the channel count to 1. The reason we're using an AES67 receiver is because the VPage station is transmitting an AES67 flow and the QSys core is receiving that flow in. Now let's add our audio cable. Connect the AES67 receivers to the Zone PA router. Remember when we gave each VPage plugin a different PA router input number? That's where this comes into play. Then you'll take the output of the Zone PA router and send it wherever you need to route it to. In our case, we're connecting to an AES67 transmitter. The final step is assigning that AES67 receiver to the proper AES67 stream name. To do this, save to core and run. Then double-click to open the AES67 receiver module. The stream name should then be added from what was created in Dante controller. That's it, everything is complete. If you're using Dante instead of AES67, your design will be a bit different. In the VPage Plugin Properties tab, you'll have to select Dante instead of AES67. Then in the design, you'll use the Dante In module that you can pull into your design from the core's inventory on the left-hand column under Design Elements. Alright, let's check out how everything works. Here we can see that if we press button 4, you'll see our audio player will be triggered. You also see we can page to a certain area. This concludes our VPage setup process. By completing this video series, you should now have an understanding of how to install VPage hardware, configure the audio zone logic, and route audio in your system. If you stick around, you'll find additional videos posted that take a deeper dive into specific topics about VPage, such as updating firmware, VPVC utilities, and troubleshooting your setup. Also, be sure to check out some of the other courses that have been posted to Alcorn McBride Academy, such as Intro to Show Control Programming, Ride Player, and the AV Uncompressed Bin Loop. We'll see you around!